Are you worried about thinning hair? You're not alone. Millions of people face hair loss. But today, we will explore effective tips to manage it. Hair loss can be caused by many factors. Genetics, stress, and hormonal changes can all contribute. Understanding these causes is crucial to finding a solution. First, let's talk about a balanced diet. Consuming vitamins and minerals can promote healthier hair. Include leafy greens, nuts, and eggs in your meals. They are rich in nutrients that support hair growth. Next, focus on proper hair care. Use gentle shampoos and conditioners. Avoid harsh chemicals and excessive heat styling. Instead, opt for air drying and natural hairstyles. Now, consider scalp massages. Massaging your scalp increases blood flow. This can stimulate hair follicles and promote growth. Use your fingertips for a relaxing 5-minute routine daily. Another vital tip is to manage stress. Practicing mindfulness techniques can help. Try yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Lowering stress levels might encourage healthier hair. Let's also explore the idea of supplements. Biotin, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids can be beneficial. Consult a doctor before starting any new supplements for personalized advice. We cannot overlook the impact of hairstyles. Tight hairstyles can lead to traction alopecia. Opt for looser styles to help reduce strain on your hair. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Dermatologists and trichologists offer treatments like PRP therapy. These professionals can provide expert guidance on your hair loss journey. In summary, hair loss can be managed through a combination of approaches. Focus on diet, hair care, scalp massages, and stress management. Now it's time to take action. Start implementing these tips today. Share your progress and stay committed to your journey toward healthier hair.